To set up areas in N3, go to Company, then Maintenance, then Areas. In the Area List view, click Add to create a new one. Fill in the required fields. Give it a code of up to 20 characters and a name to identify the area. Then set the type to tell the system where this area applies. You can choose both, Customer Only or Supplier Only. The Active toggle is on by default, but if an area is no longer in use, you can switch it off to mark it as inactive instead of deleting it. And if you want this area to automatically appear as the default in your customer or supplier records, just enable the default option. Once everything's filled in, click Submit to save. To edit, click the area's code from the list, update the fields you need, and hit Submit. To delete an area, tick the checkbox beside it. Click the Delete button at the top of the list and select Confirm Delete. Keep in mind, an area can only be deleted if it hasn't been tagged to any customer or supplier yet.